Artificial intelligence. We hear about it everywhere. Powering search engines, recommending what to watch next, even writing content. But how does AI actually work? And is it really as smart as people claim? Today, we're breaking down AI in simple terms, explaining how it learns, makes decisions, and why it's becoming more advanced than ever before. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of how AI functions and why it might be smarter than you think. Let's dive in. What is AI? At its core, AI, or artificial intelligence, refers to machines that can perform tasks that typically require human intelligence. These tasks include recognizing speech, understanding images, making decisions, and even generating human-like text. AI isn't just one thing. It's an umbrella term covering various types of intelligent systems. The most common forms of AI include machine learning, neural networks, and deep learning, each playing a crucial role in AI's growing capabilities. Machine learning, the backbone of AI. Machine learning is what allows AI to learn from data rather than just following programmed instructions. Instead of being explicitly told what to do, AI is trained using massive data sets. For example, if you feed a machine learning model thousands of cat pictures, it will start to recognize patterns and eventually distinguish a cat from a dog. The more data it processes, the more accurate it becomes. There are three main types of machine learning: supervised learning, unsupervised learning, and reinforcement learning. Supervised learning involves training AI with labeled data, like teaching it to recognize handwritten digits by showing examples with correct answers. Unsupervised learning allows AI to find patterns on its own, often used for things like customer segmentation in businesses. Finally, reinforcement learning enables AI to learn through trial and error. Commonly used in robotics and game playing, A is like DeepMind's AlphaGo. Neural networks, how AI thinks like a human. Neural networks are designed to mimic the human brain, consisting of layers of artificial neurons that process and analyze data. When AI looks at an image, for example, each layer of the neural network focuses on different aspects, edges, colors, shapes, until it forms a full understanding. The more layers an AI has, the deeper its learning capability, which is why deep learning has revolutionized fields like image recognition and natural language processing. AI models like GPT, which powers ChatGPT, use neural networks with billions of parameters to generate human-like text, predict language patterns, and even write code. These models continuously improve by analyzing vast amounts of text, making them more efficient and realistic with every update. How AI makes decisions. AI decision-making is based on probabilities. When AI is given a task, it calculates the most likely correct outcome based on the data it has seen before. For example, when you ask a voice assistant like Siri or Alexa a question, it processes the words, predicts the most relevant response, and delivers an answer, all within milliseconds. However, AI isn't perfect. It relies heavily on the quality of data it is trained on. Bias in training data can lead to biased outcomes, and AI sometimes struggles with understanding context or abstract thinking, areas where humans still have the upper hand. AI's rapid advancement. Is it smarter than humans? AI surpasses humans in speed and efficiency in tasks like calculations, pattern recognition, and data analysis. It can scan millions of medical images in seconds, automate complex financial predictions, and even outperform human champions in strategy games. But does that mean AI is smarter than humans? The answer depends on how we define intelligence. AI excels at narrow tasks, but lacks general intelligence, the ability to think creatively, understand emotions, and adapt to new, unfamiliar situations without training. While AI can generate art, it doesn't truly feel creativity. While it can answer questions, it doesn't understand in the way humans do. However, researchers are working on artificial general intelligence, AGI, a form of AI that could potentially think and reason like a human across multiple domains. If AGI becomes a reality, AI could truly become as smart or even smarter than us. The future of AI. AI is evolving at an unprecedented rate, integrating into everyday life in ways we never imagined. From self-driving cars to AI-powered tutors, it's shaping industries and pushing the limits of what technology can achieve. But with great power comes responsibility. As AI advances, ethical concerns like job displacement, data privacy, and AI biases need to be addressed to ensure a future where AI benefits everyone. So, is AI actually smarter than you think? In many ways, yes. It's capable of incredible feats that were once considered science fiction. But true intelligence, human-level thinking and creativity is still beyond its reach. For now. What are your thoughts on AI's rapid advancement? Do you think it will ever surpass human intelligence? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more deep dives into AI and technology. Thanks for watching Tech to Millions, and we'll see you in the next video.